Hello everyone! Welcome back to this series of tutorials about magnetic switches and Hall effect keyboards. In this tutorial, I'm going to focus on two very powerful features that only Hall effect keyboards can provide: the long press switch and the one key multiple command feature. I'll start by diving into how these features work and the game-changing boost that they can give to your performance. After that, we'll explore how to customize them using the Keychron Launcher web app, with some simple key combinations to get you started. Finally, I'll show you these combinations in action, so that you can see firsthand their benefits. The one key multiple command feature allows you to embed up to 4 key inputs in one single stroke through 4 stroke stages, depending on the position of the key on its vertical axis, both on the descending and ascending movements. The inputs can be sent separately, meaning one after another, or even be overlapped to create combinations. It sounds a little bit abstract, doesn't it? Let's see how it works on the launcher interface. The square on the left side is where you can set the combination. This part at the center is where you can choose the keys that you want to embed in your combination. Lastly, the square on the right is where you can store all the combination created with this feature. Let's focus here. On the left column is where you can input your commands. The values at the bottom indicate the position of your key throughout the stroke. To create one combination, first you need to select a key from the interface at the top. Then, select the first white square and choose a key from the list at the center. You can drag this slider to decide the duration of the key input. The key will keep on being registered down till the bottom in phase and up till this value here, aka the bottom out phase, but not after it for the bounce back phase. You can stack more inputs, so keep on repeating the same process until you complete your key combination. For example, I can embed this other command and decide to make it start registering after the press down phase, but only till the bottom out phase. This way, the second input will be registered only for a short part of the entire key path. Let's create some basic combinations that will come in handy for FPS games. In many FPS, RPGs or fighting games, if you press W, your character will start walking, and only by jointly pressing W plus Shift it will run. But that is not really efficient, right? Let's make it better. Select the first square and find the W key on this list. Drag this lever all the way to the right, making sure that the key will always be triggered. Then, in the second square, select the Shift key. This time drag the lever starting from this point, so that running will be triggered only after a certain point, giving you some space to walk if you need. Quick tip: you can take a look at how your combination is working by going over to this section here. Turn the toggle on and test your combination. And there you have it. Remember that the only limit is your imagination. You can set even more handy combinations depending on your needs. Let's move on to the long press feature. This function will come in handy when you want to automate some keys to leave your fingers free to do some other actions. Just press the key once and it will keep on sending inputs automatically. To reset it, just press it again and it will stop it from triggering. Setting this function, it's pretty straightforward. Go over to this section, select the key on the interface and click Open. On this side, you can check all the keys that you have already modified with this function. Now, let's make a useful example for gaming scenarios. Holding down onto the arrow keys can be tedious sometimes, right? Take open world games for example. It is not unusual that you find yourself traveling around big areas. Continuously pushing down the W key gets tiring after a while. Enabling this function, you can let go of the movement keys, allowing your hand to press other keys. For example, you can open your map, your inventory, or even snacking while you're gaming. Convenient, right? The customization freedom offered by the HE keyboards is not over yet, as there are many other amazing functions that I haven't mentioned. For those, we'll create more tutorials to give you the chance to dive deeper into these amazing products. For now, I hope I've helped you grasp the main concepts behind these top-notch features and boost your gaming performances. Leave a comment down below to let us know if you have any doubts left. Enjoy your gaming and see you on the next one.